Welcome back, explorers. Are you someone who likes brand names but you don't want to pay the brand name prices? Well, I need to clean my filthy house, and today we're going to go take a look inside Dollar Tree and see what we can get for under $20. But first, we're going to start with the Fabuloso, and this Fabuloso works wonders. I have my special solution that I make, and it lasts me for a very, very long time. Moving right along to the tried and true Lysol. Now, when you get Lysol in the regular stores, it can run you from about $3 to $5 for a regular sized bottle, and you can use this Lysol on anything. If you got those pee pee and poo poo stains, then this product is the best for you. This is my favorite toilet bowl cleaner, and it never ceases to get the job done. Next, we have Magic Eraser, and these can be very expensive in regular stores. Here's to the best dish soap in my opinion, which is Dawn. I like to use this in the Dawn Power Wash solution, and this is definitely a product where a little goes a long way. Now, this next product, I'm not going to go into much detail about. Actually, if you know, you know, just get it. So, ever since the pandemic, tissue has been high in the regular stores. That's why I always come to Dollar Tree and I get it for $1.25, and you get 4 rows. You have a choice between the Scott Comfort Plus and the Soft and Strong. Now, I don't know if that's enough for you, but keep on spending $10 on toilet paper because I'm coming to Dollar Tree. If you have an odor in a small space in your house that you could just not seem to get rid of, this always does a job for me. This next product is a total lifesaver. Whether you're on a budget or you're in a pinch or you're traveling, you can get Tide for $1.25. And they have the Tide Downy, they have Gain as well, odor defense, and they also have like the fabric softeners and the dryer sheets as well. This is not a household cleaning product, but if you need any storage with food, they do have bags for $1.25. They have the gallon storage bags and the sandwich bags and all. And honestly, their off-brand works perfectly fine. And next, I always stop in to get foil because you always need foil, of course, when you don't have it. So foil is a good thing to have on hand. If you know, you know. Now, this next item is a bonus item as well. You have the Rubbermaid and the McCormick food storage. These are lifesavers as well if you're heavy into meal prep, because I think you get two for $1.25, and some of the smaller packs come with three for $1.25, and it's name brand. Last but not least is another bonus item, which is the kitchen utensils. Y'all do not sleep on Dollar Tree's kitchen utensils because I have some on hand that have lasted a very, very long time, and they have pretty much any kitchen utensil that you can think of. Well, guys, that just about wraps up this video. Let me know in the comments if you made it to the end and if you do not see anything that you may have in your Dollar Tree, or if you think I may have missed or skipped over something important.